everyone, I just wanted to show you a tour once since everything is now hooked up. So we're going to play some music and I'm just going to show you how it works. I'm not going to have the subs on, so due to my dad's home, but I'm going to show you guys how the sound is. It is going to sound like there's subs possibly, but like that's because all the treble with all these speakers, and there's some up there. I may show you those too. We'll just see. But alright, here we go. Is the new one, and that one over there. RM72 is back here in RC64. That's going to conclude this video. I just wanted to show you guys how this sounds, and it sounds amazing to me. I know some people are like, well, why do you have all the speakers in the back? I just like it because I could see the whole lineup when I walk in. If I put them back there, I wouldn't be able to see them, and I wouldn't be able to have my projector the way I have it. But yeah, because it is a little small room, but it works out. So, but yeah, anyways, but yeah, that has been basically my tour with including the RF83s that I just got. So, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Peace out and bye for now, you guys.